Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something a little different to share with you guys. I went to Dollar Tree and I found this super cute little pot holder. It says, "Hello, my name is Cecile," or Cecil. I don't know which one it is. Cecil. It says the plant isn't included, but right next to them they had these cute little things. It's like a little paper pot with the seeds inside. And this is a pollinator kit, and it's a cone flower. I thought it was super cute, so I thought maybe we could grow something in that. So let's see what this looks like. I haven't opened it. Oh, look how cute. So that's all it comes in. He's so cute. That's the back. Logan helped me pick out which one to get. So cute. So let's see what I have to do with this. I don't think it even says what to do. It just says it comes with a biodegradable pot, 1 seed packet, and growing medium instructions. So this is a little dirt pellet. It expands when you put water. And then we have the seeds. So I will add some water to this. I think I'll need a spoon or a fork or something to mash it up. So let me grab that. Okay, so you can already tell it's expanding. So I'm just going to use my little spork and loosen it up a little. It's still dry, so I'm going to add more water. Make sure it gets down into the bottom portion of this little pellet. And then we can plant the little seeds. Oh, I hope I grow something. It'd be so cute. Logan had to do, he had to grow seeds. There were pea seeds for science class. And literally like the last, I think, week, we have been trying to rescue them because for some reason they have been dying. It's so sad. He was so upset about it. He thought for sure he was going to do so well. But I explained to him, they're seeds. All you can do is do your best, and you can try again with some more seeds. Okay, so I think this is good to go. It's very wet and squishy, enough for me to stick in the seeds. All right. See how big these seeds are. I think there's a couple more in here. I think that's about it. Get all these seeds in, and then we will cover them up. Let me just double check to make sure I got all these seeds. Okay. Just stick these seeds inside, cover them on up. And then our little Cecil, he'll be our boy crab. We'll protect it. Like that. How cute. That's so adorable. Well, let me know, guys, if you've seen these in your Dollar Trees and if you're going to try growing something. I'd love to hear. And hopefully we grow stuff. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. I forgot, guys, before I go, I wanted to share with you guys the little caterpillars that we are growing. Every year I do this for the memory of my grandmother, my meme, and every year for her birthday we release butterflies. So I ordered from this company, insectlore.com, and I got 2 of these kits. Sorry. I already have the insect, I have the butterfly habitat already, and it's like a huge, kind of like a rectangular shaped netted enclosure for them to sit. But this came with 2 of these, so you pop off this cap here, and that's where they're gonna attach when they turn into a chrysalis. So they're gonna attach like this. So then you pop off the cap. This is different than the ones I've ever done. So in this one, you take off the cap, so they're all gonna be like this, and you rest it on each of these on here, and you place them inside of your netted habitat, and then you wait for them to emerge from their chrysalis, and they will fly around inside of your habitat safely. And usually what I do is I wait a little while, like they suggest up to a week, so I can give them watermelon or oranges, fruit that they like. And you can even put like flowers and stuff in there that they would like to crawl on and stuff. And this will allow their wings to dry out and dry off and harden so they can actually fly. If you release them too soon, their wings are still like wet from breaking out of the chrysalis. So you don't want to release them too soon. You want to actually see them flying around inside of your habitat before releasing them outside. So yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. I'm going to incorporate this process closer to when they turn into butterflies, and when they're ready to be released. I'll also do a nail video to go along with that in memory of my grandmother. So stay tuned for that. And this is the site again that I purchased from, insectlore.com. If you're interested, check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.